Notions has a really interesting new product from a vendor called Foundations Decor. And they just have such fun things that really fit into every single category of all that Notion sells. And here's the idea. All of the pieces are a wood. So if you can see here, there's all the wood shapes that you would possibly need. I'm going to turn this one around now. And you can see all of the detail. It has all the wood, all the magnets, everything you need except how you're going to color it. So for instance, on this one, the vendor actually sent us a finished set. Watch this. That comes off. It's got a magnet on the back. And the idea is you may change it for every month. So it can be kind of like a project of the month in your store. So your customers can come in using the supplies that you already have in your store. They can do all the decorating. There are 12 different designs for this magnetic panel. Then there is this new welcome sign. The welcome sign is an easier project because the pieces, there's not as many pieces, but it is the same idea. You purchase the welcome sign first that has magnet pieces. So let me show you here. That comes off. There's the magnet on the back of the design, and then it magnetizes right to the sign. So just a fun little project. Know that there's these two original bases, but then they're going to be changed out every month if you choose. So this is a really cool idea to have some sort of a project where your customers can come in every month to work on it.